Let's start off with someone trying to maintain a stereotype. I'm not going to lie, the camera could have done a better job with this. Let me know what you think I'm talking about in the comments. It doesn't excuse the impatience of the Peugeot, however. As it stands in the highway code, presently, this clip isn't really a fail. But for me, if someone wishes to use a zebra crossing, you should stop and give way to them. Thankfully, the proposed changes in the highway code are going to address this problem. Again, someone else trying to maintain a stereotype. You know who to watch. I bet you weren't expecting that though. By the way, I would like to add, what a good save by the Mini. Their spatial awareness was exceptional. The terrible weather combined with the half-light conditions make this a dangerous time of day to drive. It was just a good job that my camera was driving at a speed where he could deal with it. Great job. You won't often find this type of clip on my channel. These are usually saved for the other dashcam channels. But this is a classic case of speeding up into someone emerging on a roundabout. Closing the space down, in my opinion, is worse than misjudging when a gap comes. This mindset of I've got priority, whatever the cost, is the scourge of our roads. This is my same viewer from the last clip who sent this in. Good to see he's driving sensibly at a good speed in these conditions, and it's a good job. He also proves he's got some decent skill in handling the car. Well done. This is my same viewer from the last two clips. In this incident, someone pulls out in front, but listen how little his engine note changes until the last moment.
What the hell, you stupid? What the f was that? You dumb.
So to anyone who drives with this same mentality of I have priority, this is probably a wake-up call. Use your intelligence to lower risk rather than making things worse. How much does my viewer in this clip reduce risk, and do you think they could have stopped? Please let us know what you think in the comments. I was a little confused with this clip. The red car wasn't made in Germany.
It's a girl, a young girl. I don't know why she stayed on the outside.
For me, the camera's driving wasn't the best, but the van is ridiculous. Not a good job from Alan Goddard, Plumbing and Heating. This is the same viewer from the clip previously, doing an overtake. That ain't the best. No wonder the car from the other direction stopped. But you sent this in thinking that other car was doing what? Doing the wrong thing? Wow. This is another great example of closing space down. Watch the DPD lorry and the BMW joining the slip road. The lorry accelerates towards the queuing cars just to try and make it difficult for the car joining. That ain't the best. And neither is the following distance for the BMW. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my viewers who send all these clips in. This one is from Spain, and we get them from all around the world. Thanks a lot. Someone else maintaining the stereotype. I'm not making a comment on this clip.
Christ. Fucking stupid.
My guess was the motorbike was hidden behind the pillar of both of these vehicles. What do you think? And this is a daily danger of anyone riding on two wheels. I've only got one question for this clip. I see what the driver's doing, trying to help the broken down car, but how did he point in that direction on a motorway? Watch the vehicle that's in front of us. Was this being very, very bold, or was it a lack of planning and observation? For me, it's an absolute no-brainer. It's the latter. A lot of people just drive, just following the back bumper of the vehicle in front. And unfortunately, I think that's what the black car did here. They didn't see the bus whatsoever. This is my favourite clip of all of them this time. Please let me know what your favourite clip was in the comments. The poor road markings didn't help, but what was that motorbike doing? Watch the red car emerging from the right. I haven't said this for a while. Gee whiz. Another big thanks to everyone who keeps sending these clips in. It's much appreciated. Last little thought. I haven't seen any of these things by me. Have you? And I wonder how these are going to fit into our hazard perception. Interesting. Thanks for watching everyone. See you soon.